Encirc, sustainability champions, excited by the continuously growing trend of environmental action within manufacturing.
It's exciting us because I think we are a world leader in sustainable practices. We're very much driven in terms of our pursuit of creating decarbonised glass. Ultimately, we'd like to create zero carbon glass. We think there's a real future for that. So I think it's not just an imperative for sustainable practices, but also for economy and actually the future of our business from a commercial point of view as well.
You may already know this, but when it comes to sustainable metrics, it turns out glass is class.
Glass wins on every sustainable metric, so it's infinitely recyclable, it's inert as a material, it doesn't leach chemicals into your food and drink. It can go around the supply chain again and again, so perfect for the circular economy. It's got a high carbon footprint, so it's really important that last aspect of sustainability is addressed and removed for the future.
The advice? Put a bold vision in place and get your people on board at every level. Encirc has explored ways of getting its people fully behind the net zero mission.
I say what we've learned is to have a really bold vision and then to get the buy-in of your people to that vision. I think we've learned that over the last 10 years. Recently we staged a really big conference for all our managers in Northern Ireland, in which we launched a new mission. We call it ZE30, Zero Emissions by 2030, and it's really challenging our people to get behind a number of initiatives to see how we can achieve that in many aspects of our business. So I'd say definitely have a bold vision and see how you can get the people behind you to enact that vision.